So you should do the same thing when you get peripheral boards like this. Peripheral boards similar to this, gaming consoles, TV receivers, sound receivers. You can find them a bunch of places. And these specifically have quite a bit of monolithic capacitors. What I do with these is I take one of these and just pop them out like that. I usually use a wood chisel and scrape them off completely. But for these bigger ones, come out very easy. Just grab, twist. Any type of plier would do. These I find are really good because of the needle point. You should definitely take out the monolithics on all your peripherals and even motherboards. I haven't run into anyone that complains about having them removed when I sell the boards, so I do it, and I get, like in one of my other videos, I get about $4 an ounce on those things. I recently saw a video where the guy gets about $80 per pound, which is not that bad. It's a little more than what I get on these, but definitely take them out. They're worth it. Definitely worth more than $1.50 per pound on peripheral boards. Let's see. Another drive. And actually I forgot to mention on these drives, on these Blu-ray drives, the laser on these are pretty good because you get gold here. You can remove this and sell it as a gold tipped connector or refine it yourself. I know the shell of these lasers are aluminum, but another fun thing, they have a diode. Not sure if you can see it. There's a diode here that looks, when you remove it, looks like this. You can see there's all sorts of gold on it. Connectors are gold. Kind of hard to see on the camera. I can't get it to focus, but there's definitely gold on these little guys, and I remove them all. But for the video, for the purpose of the video, because you can't really take those out and measure them and see how much they're actually worth, I'm not gonna bother. I'm just gonna sell it as is, as a scrap metal. So we get a little Wi-Fi board here, a little piece of metal on it, nice little peripheral board. What I do with these, I take out these two chips and sell them in my IC chip pile. Also has some gold here on this little gold connector, gold here. A lot better than the card reader I find on this one. With a little bit more value, but yeah, here you go. Snaps off. And it's a little IC chip there. Get about $5 a pound approximately, more or less. So it's worth taking these guys out because they come out so easy. Look at this IC chip. This one has nice gold inside if you look. Just rip that piece of metal out. There's gold here, gold there. Some more gold here. I'm sure there's plenty of gold on this little chip. Ooh, and look at this, a nice hunk of aluminum and copper. I know a lot of people like to get this tubing off, but it just takes too long. I don't bother. I just put it in my copper / aluminum heat sink pile. Take out the plastic. The rest goes in the pile.